All right, good evening, guys. Welcome back to today's episode of this class. All right, so this is a Brainybite tutorial. Okay, if this is your first time of coming to this our channel, this is Brainybite tutorial. You are welcome. What we'll do here is that we'll teach you guys the tips and tricks on how to pass exam, pass Jamb, post UTME, and successfully gain admission. Okay, so and we also assist you pass Jamb, also assist you pass post UTME, and you will get admission with us. All right, so if you have been written Jamb for so many times and you're not making it, stick with us. All right, so we'll help you and we'll assist you pass Jamb. Okay, so the other day I did a video on antonyms. I know I've done several videos on antonyms. So as we all know that antonyms is Jamb English antonyms, is those words that is closer, like that is opposite in meaning to the given word, right? So those words that is opposite in meaning to the given word, that's the one that is antonym. All right, so that's the one we're talking about. So now I have gone to dish out those words Jamb commonly used. All right, so we all know that those people, they don't actually they set questions when it comes to antonyms and synonyms. Their questions always revolves around their past questions, right? So that's why I have taken much of my time to fish out those words or those past questions or those questions and answers. All right, so from 1992 till date. All right, so that's the questions, that's what I brought for you guys here today. Okay, so you stay from the beginning of this video to the end of this video so that you will learn a lot. So the reason for this is simply because of those people that don't have material to read, those people that don't have nowhere to get all of these things, those people that don't have time to read, because most persons prefer reading with their phone, and most persons also prefer reading hard copy notes. All right, so that's why I have taken much of my time to bring this quality content to you guys so that you don't miss out with anything. So what you will do, I'm not saying you should go and memorize these words. I don't say you should go and memorize it, that this is what exactly Jamb is going to say. I always tell you that this, just study the words. All right, study it, know it. Even if you cannot cram, it's not about cramming. I didn't say you should cram. Okay, so just study so that when you come across this word, you know that yeah, I've come across this word, I know it, and this cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer, this cannot be the answer, see the answer here. All right, so that's how it is. Okay, that's how you get it. Okay, so that I've detailed every video about antonyms. All right, so you go and check it out. Okay, check it out, it's all over my channel, just check it out. All right, so here is the ending part of the antonym. So after antonyms, I'll proceed to synonyms. So as I promised you guys, I'll be updating videos every time. So if you have not subscribed to our YouTube channel, I want to encourage you to subscribe to our YouTube channel and turn on the bell notifications so that whenever I drop any amazing content, just like the one you are watching right now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the update. All right, having done that, let's go down to the video. So we have the first one as plagiarized. So the is, remember, is opposite in meaning. That's what we're talking about, opposite in meaning. I will rush out, I don't have time. So, and that is original is the answer, and original. So the term plagiarize refers to the act of using someone else's work or idea without giving them proper credit, essentially presenting it as one's own. The opposite of a plagiarized copy of a book would be an original copy of the book. Therefore, the correct answer is option B, which is an original. Okay, let's go to the next one. The next one repeated the same thing here. That simply means Jamb repeated a question the next year. So let's go to the next one, which is a debilitated. Debilitated is also known as invigorated. All right, so it's invigorated. Okay, we have done this. We have done this on the previous session, so go out there and check the video, you'll see it. Okay, the next one is we have communal living. Communal. All right, so the word communal is opposite to private. The word communal refers to shared by all members of a community for common use. Its opposite is private, which refers to belonging to all for the use of one particular person or group of people. All right, so now let's go to the next one, which is please don't mind me, translucent. All right, translucent is opaque. So that's translucent. I guess we have also done this one again, and they repeated this question here. So you know the word translucent refers to a material that allows light to pass through it, but only diffusively. So that object on the other side cannot be clearly distinguished. So its opposite is opaque, so which refers to material that does not allow any light to through it. Okay. So the next one now is inconceivable. All right, inconceivable is credible. That's the opposite in meaning. All right, the correct answer is credible. The word inconceivable means that which cannot be delivered. Credible. All right, so that is inconceivable is credible. All right, that's the opposite word. All right, so the next one there is the abiance. Abiance is continuance. That's the opposite. The abiance means a state of temporary disuse or suspension. Its antonyms include resume, continue, recommence, and reopen. All right, so let's go. The next one is beneficial. Beneficial is harmful. All right, beneficial is harmful. Something beneficial is helpful or good to something or someone. The antonyms are detrimental, harmful, and unfavorable. All right, so the next one is deride. Deride, the opposite is compliment. Deride means express contempt for something. Its antonyms include respect, praise, commend, applaud, and compliment. All right, the next one there is rudiment. Rudiment means theories. That's the opposite word of rudiment is theory. So rudiment means basic or fundamental. So opposite to this should be theory. All right, so next word there is melodorous, which is a pleasant. That's the opposite word. Melodorous means having a bad odor or smelling bad. The opposite of smell, something that is melodorous would be pleasant. Something that is pleasant. All right. So next word there is flabby. Looks flabby. That's the next word there. Flabby. So flabby is firm. The word flabby means soft, loose, and fleshy. So therefore the opposite of flabby is firm. All right, so the next one is spurious. The word spurious is genuine. That is the opposite word is genuine. All right, so the word spurious means not genuine, not true, not valid. Therefore the opposite of spurious is genuine. All right, so the next word there is an approximate. So which is a price. So the word approximate means something that is close to actual but not completely accurate or exact. Therefore the opposite of approximate is precise, which means marked by exactness and accuracy of detail. All right, so the next one is steady. Steady is unstable. The word steady means not easily moved or disturbed, firm, dispelled, and dependable. Therefore the opposite of steady is unstable, which means not firm or fixed, liable to change or fail. All right, so that's the next one. Let's go to the next one, which is the very last one on our list. So we have the malignant, which is benign, yeah. So when something is malignant, it is harmful, malevolent, injurious. The antonyms opposite of this is benign, MB, which is a malignant is also synonymous to cancerous. Okay, synonymous is nearest in meaning, right? So this is where I will end this video for today for antonyms. We are done with antonyms, so you check out our channel for other antonyms. All right, go through the words, know them, so that whenever you come across them in this forthcoming UTME examination, you will know their meaning. All right, so if you have not subscribed, please, I want to encourage you to subscribe to this YouTube channel. All right, turn on the bell notification, because I promise you guys I'll be dropping updates back to back. So turn on the bell notification so that whenever I drop any updates, just like the one you just watched now, YouTube will notify you and you'll be the first to check out the updates. Alright, so this is Brainybite once again. I love you guys so much. Okay, until I see you guys in my next video again, don't forget I do love and cherish you guys. If you have anything that's bothering you, anything you want to, also have WhatsApp group. So if you want to join us, okay, you know that you must be a decent person before you join us. Okay, so if you want to join us, you let me know in the comment section. I'll be right there to answer you, and I will add you to the group and you become one of our members. All right, so until I see you in my next video again, don't forget I do love and cherish you guys. Okay, I love you. Keep winning.